Hey everyone, welcome to Climate Change class and Marine Science program at CMI. My name is Muller and I'm a student from College of the Marshall Islands. Firstly, I would like to give thanks to our Heavenly Father for everything. I would also like to recognize instructor Mr. Kendall Romani. I had the pleasures of enrolling in the climate change course at CMI, which is a part of marine science program. My aim is to discuss the context of course, climate change, and its importance. The course covers a broad range of topics. For examples, the composition of the atmospheres, cloud types and formations, atmospheric cleansings, ozone layers and its depletions, natural and man-made causes of climate change, impact of climate change, and climate change mitigating measures. The course focused on the how the effect of climate change and more restricted to small islands, developing states, in particular Marshall Islands. What is climate change? Climate change is an long-term alteration in average weather patterns, either globally or regionally. Crisis. Changing in weather had been observed for some time recently. This had made weather a very popular topic for formal and also casual conversations around the country and even within the Pacific regions. According to environmental scientists, the islands of Marshall Island are slowly submerging and the current impacts of climate change are apparently advancing the submergence process. This is instilling fear within the population, which is ultimately forcing migration. Coastal erosion in Marshall Islands is a huge threat. My clearly, based on the scientist thought, human activity causes and impact the climate change. For example, in December 2014, the rising sea level had made high tide dangerous. Regular flood washed through the village, causing damage to houses, killing crops, and poisoning drinking water. Definitely the past and the future of nuclear legacy here in the Marshall Islands. The Henrietta Atoll Dome nuclear waste possible leak. Imagine rising temperature expected to rise sea level that the dome could be submerged, serious damage to our environmentals. The environmentals mean will damage food security just as fish and organic living thing. Briefly, I encourage everyone would reconsider take courses of climate change, environmental science, and the marine science program. The following courses contain such as carbon footprints, global warming, environmental justice, food security, maintenance, medication, tipping point, traditional knowledge, and weather and climate. The climate change is one of the most urgent concern issue of our daily life. Several recent studies shows that active, quickly, and decisively to address challenges and shift our economy to clean energy will bring significant benefits future of the Marshall Island. Thank you and komotata.